Ran out of time, so we had to cut it short for a second. But I think we've covered most of it. I just really want to remind you, as we look at these patterns, writing the rule wasn't really that difficult from the pattern. The keys were knowing how many tiles were in figure 0, which led us to this number, and knowing what the growth rate was, which led us to that number. And the growth rate had to be the same. If you have further questions, please see me in class, but basically I hope this kind of lets you see how some of the patterns are growing. I want to go back to this chart because we're going to add something to it. Today we worked on going from a pattern directly to a rule. When I do that, I basically said this: y equals, and then this is the number of tiles added each time on the x. Then right here we had the number of tiles in figure 0, and right now we are adding those. And so we have that. There's a little hint from the graph as to how we would go backwards, but we also today began to think about how we go from the pattern directly to the graph. Notice that when I did this, I didn't make a table for the whole thing. I just knew, okay, figure 1 had 4 more, so that's 6. Figure 2 had 4 more, so that was... And so I just went ahead and had my points directly from that. We'll go ahead and fill this more. We learned this in section 4.1.2. And so as we bring this up in each section, this will help you kind of form an idea of where you can go back to review if you need to review it. Hope this helps, and we'll talk to you later.